Hello, in this video I want to show you all available methods to take screenshot or record screen on your Huawei Nova 10 Pro or any Huawei Nova series. So let's start with a simple way to take a screenshot, and you just need to press volume down and the power key at the same time, like this. Now we've just taken the screenshot. If we press on it, we can edit the aspect ratio, or just cut it out or draw on it. So next is to go for the settings. Right here in the search, enter screenshot. And take screenshot right here. Make sure that both of them are enabled to make them work, and the first one is knuckle screenshot, and you just need to use your knuckle and knock on your phone like let me actually change the brightness for this video and do it like this. And as you can see, we just taken a screenshot. Another way is to drag down your 3 fingers and you can also take the screenshot, but remember that both of them need to be enabled. Now to record the screen, simply scroll down your toolbar, right here scroll down again, and you should find the screen recorder on the right side by default, and you can also edit the notification panel shortcuts if you click on this and edit switches. And right here we can remove or add screen recorder. So click on it. Then the new UI will pop up and start recording your screen. Click on it again to save it and send it to the gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.